Hello everyone and welcome to Autopedia channel. In today's video, we'll be doing an in-depth comparison between two legendary off-road SUVs, the 2025 Nissan Patrol and the 2024 Land Rover Defender 110. These vehicles have a rich history in the off-roading world, and for 2025 and 2024, both bring something new to the table. Let's start by diving into their exterior design and dimensions. Exterior design and dimensions. Starting with the 2025 Nissan Patrol, it maintains its legacy as a robust off-roader, but with significant updates for the new model year. If you've been around off-road vehicles for a while, the Patrol name likely comes to mind. In fact, it's a legendary 4x4 that was once a common sight in Europe, though now its presence is focused more in the Middle East and North America, where it's also known as the Nissan Armada. While not confirmed in every market, the Nissan Patrol's price is expected to start at around 60,000 euros, climbing over 100,000 euro for the top trims. The 2025 Patrol has grown in size, now measuring 5.2 meters in length, 2.03 meters wide, and 1.95 meters in height, with a wheelbase of 3.07 meters. These dimensions make it one of the largest SUVs in its class, offering both on-road presence and improved off-road capability. The V-Motion grille dominates the front, paired with adaptive headlights, and the Patrol is available in 7 exterior colors with 4 two-tone options. There are even 22-inch aluminum wheels and a cool throwback feature, a logo projection beneath the doors, a nod to the Patrol's heritage. On the other side, we have the 2024 Land Rover Defender 110, which takes a different design approach. The Defender continues its legacy with its boxy yet modern shape, immediately recognizable from its blend of retro styling with updated features. The Defender 110 is slightly smaller than the Patrol at 5.02 meters in length and 2.1 meters wide, giving it an agile but sturdy appearance. Its shorter overhangs and high ground clearance make it one of the best off-roaders in its class. The Defender also offers more customization options with various exterior trims, wheel designs, and adventure accessories to make it unique to your needs. While both SUVs are designed to tackle rough terrain, the Nissan Patrol leans more into a premium, luxurious look, while the Defender embodies a rugged, functional, and adventure-ready aesthetic. Interior features, technology, and infotainment. Now let's head inside and compare the interior features, technology, and infotainment of these two giants. Starting with the 2025 Nissan Patrol, the cabin offers a mix of luxury and cutting-edge technology. Nissan has focused heavily on comfort and craftsmanship, with premium leather seats that feature massage functions and adjustable lumbar support. The interior includes Kumiko-inspired wooden trim, a nod to Japanese craftsmanship, providing an elegant and unique touch. The Patrol's new Nissan Connect 2.0 system integrates Google services into its massive 28.6-inch infotainment system, which is split into two 14.3-inch screens. Rear passengers aren't left behind either. They get their own 12.8-inch screens for entertainment. You'll also find ProPilot driver assistance technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The Klipsch premium audio system with 12 speakers provides an immersive sound experience, and the cabin offers space for up to 8 passengers with a versatile EasyFlex seating system, making it easy to access the third row without removing child seats. On the other hand, the 2024 Land Rover Defender 110 boasts a more utilitarian but still luxurious interior. Land Rover has gone for a minimalist yet high-tech design. The cabin features exposed elements like the magnesium crossbeam, blending rugged durability with sophistication. The Defender is equipped with Land Rover's Pivi Pro infotainment system, featuring an 11.4-inch touchscreen with over-the-air updates and seamless smartphone integration. It also offers seating for 5 to 7 passengers, with high-end leather and fabric upholstery choices. Technology-wise, the Defender also includes a digital instrument cluster, a Meridian sound system, and a panoramic sunroof. While the Patrol leans heavily into premium materials and tech, the Defender keeps its focus on a balance between luxury and functionality, appealing to those who want adventure-ready interiors without compromising on comfort. Powertrains and performance. Let's move on to powertrains and performance, which is the heart of any SUV. Starting with the 2025 Nissan Patrol, this year brings a significant change under the hood. Gone is the traditional V8, replaced by two V6 options. The first is a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that delivers 431 horsepower and 699 Nm of torque. The second option is a naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 with 316 horsepower and 386 Nm of torque. Both engines are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The Patrol comes equipped with a new adaptive air suspension system, enhancing both off-road and on-road comfort, while a 4-bob dud system with interlocking transfer modes provides added off-road versatility. Meanwhile, the 2024 Land Rover Defender 110 offers several powertrain options. The base engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 296 horsepower, while the more powerful 3.0-liter inline-6 with mild hybrid technology delivers 395 horsepower. For those looking for extreme performance, the Defender offers a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 producing 518 horsepower and 625 Nm of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just over 5 seconds. Land Rover's terrain response system and optional air suspension ensure the Defender is prepared for any terrain. While the Patrol delivers impressive performance with its new V6 engines, the Defender offers more powertrain variety, catering to both casual off-roaders and those seeking high-performance capabilities. Safety and crash test results. In terms of safety, both vehicles are well equipped. The 2025 Nissan Patrol comes with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. The Patrol's Pro Pilot system takes things further, offering semi-autonomous driving features, making highway driving easier and safer. Although crash test results for the 2025 model are yet to be released, previous generations have performed well in safety assessments, particularly in markets like Australia and the Middle East. The 2024 Land Rover Defender 110 has already earned a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, cementing its reputation as a safe choice for families and adventurers alike. It comes standard with emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. The Defender's rigid monocoque construction, combined with advanced driver assistance features, makes it one of the safest off-roaders in its class. Both SUVs are packed with safety tech, but the Defender's established 5-star safety rating gives it a slight advantage here. Pricing and value. Finally, let's discuss pricing and value. The 2025 Nissan Patrol is expected to start at around €60,000 in markets like the Middle East, with fully loaded versions surpassing €100,000. This wide range of prices reflects the number of customization options available, from luxury trim levels to performance-oriented models. The 2024 Land Rover Defender 110 comes in at a higher base price, starting at around €90,000, with fully loaded models and the V8 version exceeding $120,000. While more expensive, the Defender offers a wider range of powertrains and a more customizable package, including extensive accessory options for those looking to enhance its off-road capabilities. In terms of value, the Patrol offers more SUV for the money with its luxurious appointments and technology, while the Defender justifies its higher price with its advanced off-road technology, performance options, and customization flexibility. Conclusion. So, which one should you choose? The 2025 Nissan Patrol is an excellent option for those looking for a luxurious, capable off-roader with a premium feel at a more accessible price point. Its new V6 engines, plush interior, and advanced technology make it a top contender, especially in markets where off-road ability is highly valued. However, the 2024 Land Rover Defender 110 offers more variety in terms of powertrains, better off-road technology, and a unique blend of luxury and ruggedness, perfect for adventurers who want the best of both worlds. At the end of the day, Your decision comes down to your needs. Do you prefer the Patrol's luxurious appeal and V6 power, or are you drawn to the Defender's versatility and high-performance potential? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car comparisons and reviews. See you in the next video.